This video will look at the automatic customer data import functionality of our Salesforce integration. We can use this to pull data from Salesforce into the hub and put it on the advocate's profile, so you can use that later on for targeting and segmentation. So first we're going to create a match category. Do this by going to settings and system and match categories. So here we just click add match category. I'm just going to call this one description and save it. And you can edit these at any time by just clicking on it and making your changes and saving again. And you can also easily delete them at any time by just hitting the X to the right hand side. So let's just verify that that's stuck. So go to a profile and go to the match criteria tab. And here we see our newly created match criteria description. Okay, so next we want to go to the Salesforce integration. And at the settings tab, you should see automatic customer data import. So let's expand that. And now we want to map our data from Salesforce into our newly created match category. So I'm just going to add new mapping. And we'll see description, which we just created. And from Salesforce, we want to use contact description. Okay, so I'm going to save my changes. Let's head back over to the advocate profile. Now I'm just going to look up in Salesforce here, which should update the data. And now we see the data has been pulled in from Salesforce. So there are a couple of other ways you can do this. By clicking look up in Salesforce, it's instantaneous and the data will come right over. Back in the integration itself, you can click run import now, which will run it for all your advocates, which can take a couple of minutes depending on how many people are in your hub. Or it also runs automatically on a nightly basis, so you don't have to worry about it. Just to explain the query here, all this will be applied to any contact in your Salesforce who does not have the date added to AdvocateHub field, not empty. And that's it. You can simply use this data now to segment challenges or add people to groups.